Holy Ghost Adoration Ministry, Anambra, Nigeria presents End of 90 Days Midnight Prayers for Reign of Abundance and Prosperity. Theme: Breaking the Yoke of Poverty. Ministering: Reverend Father Emmanuel Obima Ebemonso. Date: Monday 26 July to Friday 30 July 2021. Time schedule: morning session starts from 9 a.m. to 12 noon. Afternoon session starts with Divine Mercy from 3 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. Evening sessions start by 10 p.m. till 1 a.m. every day. Venue remains Adoration Ministry Ground, YOKE. You can connect to us live on Facebook via Father Ebemonso Holy Ghost Adoration Ministry, Anambra, Nigeria. On YouTube, Father Ebemonso Holy Ghost Adoration Ministry. On TSTV, Holy Ghost Miracle TV channel 444. On Instagram, Father Ebemonso Holy Ghost Miracle TV. You can reach us on WhatsApp via 080-8392-0951. Be expectant, have faith. I assure you, your miracle is on the way. God bless you as it connects.
Monso binye Ebinduru monso palie no geru papa Holy Ghost Adoration palie Chinago ya biye no geru go Kenduru monso Ebubege wayalia Nataro Adoration okay